Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili garlic Maggi. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Maggi noodles, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, a tablespoon of cooking oil, and about 1.5 cups of water. This recipe is perfect for a quick, flavorful meal, taking less than 10 minutes to prepare from start to finish. Ensure all your ingredients are ready before you begin cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Place a pan on your stove and add 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Heat it over a medium flame. Once the oil is warm, add your 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Sauté the garlic gently for about 30 seconds until it releases its aroma and turns a beautiful light golden brown. Then, quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes for just 10 seconds to infuse the oil with their spicy essence. Next, it's time for the star of our dish, the Maggi noodles. Carefully pour 1.5 cups of water into the pan with your fragrant garlic and chili. Bring this mixture to a rapid boil over high heat. Once boiling, add your Maggi noodle cake and the entire Tastemaker packet. Stir everything together gently, ensuring the noodles are submerged. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Your chili garlic Maggi is almost ready. Give the noodles a final good stir to ensure all the delicious flavors are perfectly combined and the sauce is thickened to coat every strand. You can add a sprinkle of fresh coriander or chopped spring onions for an extra burst of freshness, if you like. Transfer your hot, flavorful Maggi to a bowl. Serve it immediately and savor every spicy, garlicky bite of this quick and satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.